In today's video, I'm going to teach you about HoneyBook and how it could be the right client management software for you, especially if you run a creative team or small business. HoneyBook is particularly favored among photographers, event planners, and freelancers, thanks in part to its user-friendly design and strong client communication tools. As we delve into this platform, let's touch on some of the standout pros and cons to help you determine if HoneyBook meets your business needs. Starting with the pros, one distinct advantage is the excellent customer support. This is crucial when you encounter any issues or need guidance while navigating the software. The client communication tools are another strong point, as they help you stay organized and keep your projects on track. Many users appreciate HoneyBook's interface, describing it as intuitive and easy to navigate, making your day-to-day operations more efficient. However, it's important to consider the cons as well. Occasionally, you might experience glitches or slow loading times, which can be frustrating when you are in the middle of a task. There have also been mentions that the mobile app doesn't offer all the features you might find on the desktop version, which could be a limitation if you need to manage your business on the go. Additionally, some users feel that customization options within HoneyBook are somewhat limited, which might be a consideration if you need highly personalized tools for your business. Let's move on to the core features that HoneyBook offers. One of the major highlights is the ability to accept online payments securely through various methods like credit cards, ACH, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. The platform offers flexible installment options, making it easier for clients to pay. Another feature is the client portal. This secure space allows clients to view contracts, invoices, and messages, keeping everything organized in one place. The invoicing system in HoneyBook provides customizable templates to simplify your billing process, and you can automate payment reminders to save even more time. Scheduling is made easy with HoneyBook's integrated tool, which helps coordinate meetings with clients and syncs with your calendar to prevent double bookings. The platform also offers pre-made templates for emails, proposals, and contracts, greatly speeding up your workflow while maintaining consistency in communications. Lastly, task management is a key feature, allowing you to assign and monitor tasks for both you and your team. This ensures your projects remain on track and nothing falls through the cracks. In summary, HoneyBook stands out as a solid choice for creative professionals and small businesses. While it may have some drawbacks, the benefits often outweigh them for many users, making it a versatile tool in the world of client management.